Hola people, Game Show. This is AJ and Janka with you for the day, and this is Money-Tize. For all the new subscribers out there, we are Money-Tize, a platform where we take the responsibility to guide you towards wealth building, financial investing, and how can you, my budding investor, attain financial freedom quicker than you would have thought. And today we welcome you to the second episode of your road towards financial freedom with us. So, grab for the day is L&T Limited or Larsen Toubro Limited, the big whale shark which is probably into every business you can think of through its 140 plus subsidiaries, so many that we stopped counting after a point, obviously.
L&T, known to all of us for construction financing and technological infrastructure in India. We know many of you would already be having a smile on your face right now just after listening to the name, as the name is so deeply embedded in every person's mind, not just in India but globally too. So to give a short brief about what the company is, L&T is a giant whale shark with its reach across various sectors, as you can see here. Majorly, it operates under the infrastructure finance and IT space. And these are the spaces where it clearly stands out as the leader and the trendsetter when it comes to setting up infrastructure facilities. The three most known companies under its umbrella are as follows. L&T Construction, a name you must have seen across majority of the construction projects that are active in your city. After all, that's all the government this past year. Construction, and construction. Second is L&T Technology Services and L&T Infotech, which take care of the IT side of the business and are flag bearers in the respective sectors. Third is L&T Financial Services, which deals in infra and general financing activities, that is, provide loans against infrastructure projects and others. Now let's dig into the main cause of this episode, that is the financial profile of the company. In fiscal year FY21, out of a total mind-boggling revenue of around 1,30,000 crores, out of which 48% of the company's revenue came from infrastructure, while 20% came from IT. Also, recently the company acquired another company in the IT space, that is Mindtree, because of which it was in the news for a long time. A short media fairy tale, I know. This addition of Mindtree is expected to result in a higher income for the company from its IT activities in the coming years. Talking about its overall sales profile, it just keeps on going like a choo-choo train, unstoppable and uninterrupted by all the outside noise. Over the last 5 years, profit of the company has almost doubled, that too when the profit base of the company has increased from 5,600 crores to 11,000 crores due to its ability to keep its expenses controlled despite being in a capital industry, thus resulting into doubling of its EPS in the same period. And we are sure that there would be hardly any company in Indian market that has yielded such great returns over a short period of time. Talking about one of the most important thing when it comes to construction and tech companies is the financial leverage they have or the amount of debt obligation it carries. Surprisingly enough, L&T has an insanely low debt to equity ratio, close to 2 times consistently over the past many years, since it generates so much cash from its operations itself that it doesn't need much outside help.
Alright peeps, now coming to the meaty part of the bone for which I know you must have been waiting for, and me too, the technical side. L&T has always been a trendsetter when it comes to its stock prices, that is, its share price movements are always an early indicator for what's going to happen in the broader market. For example, its stocks like L&T Finance and L&T Infotech always indicate an early trend in their respective sectors. Despite crashing 50% due to the COVID-19 pandemic, L&T's share price bounced off quickly to register some sweet gains, and once it had come back out of what we say a COVID period consolidation, and once a gradual unlock started, its share price kept on zooming upwards without looking back. Just look at these amazing returns of 12% in 2 weeks. And soon after unlock 1 was announced in September, the share price rocketed towards its earlier all-time high, generating 25% for its investors in just a matter of 6 weeks. Crazy, right?
Now the stock is all set up for another home run after it crosses its all-time high after retesting it multiple times. And once it crosses it, the returns can be as high as 40% from this single stock alone for the year 2021.